In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change WhatsApp font color in chat and status. The first method is using Blue Words. Blue Words is an app that makes you change your font color and size on apps. First thing you need to do is get the Blue Words app from the Google Play Store and open it on your device. Allow the people the necessary permissions to function. And tap on any Blue Words text example. Enter your desired text and tap on the copy icon next to the colored text. When you're done, open WhatsApp, select the contact, and pass the copied colored text into the message field. And to change the WhatsApp font style and status, launch the WhatsApp app on your Android device and tap on the pencil icon to create a new status. Type your desired text for your status in the provided field. And when you're done, tap the T option to cycle through different font styles until you find the one you prefer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.